Hello, this is Mr. Tyler. I'm doing a tutorial for Excel Chapter 5, Project 3. And what you'll notice, you'll have to go to File, and then you'll have to make a copy, and then put your initials, then say OK, and then it'll make a copy for you. But I'm going to work on this one. And so it's important to read the directions here. Type in E4, so there's E, there's 4. It tells me specifically what to type in there. So I type in equals, and then I say D4 minus, notice it's highlighting the rows in the columns, C4, and then I hit enter. Okay, when I hit enter, I'm going to click on that, and I'm going to pull it down all the way here, okay, to E15. Now I'm going to click off because now number 2 says type in C16. So there's C and there's 16. And it's saying I'm going to type in equals, because that's how you start. Whoops. Equals. Now it's intuitive. It's saying, do I want C4 through C15? Yes, I do. So I'm going to click there. I'm going to hit enter. And then it tells me my actual total there. I'm going to come here. I'm going to do the same thing. Equals. And then it's going to ask me, do you want D4 to D15? Or do you want an average? And no, I want a sum, because that's what I'm summing. I want to sum up. So they do that. I click down. I hit enter, and there it is. And then what you're going to notice here is I want a total here too. Okay. So in E, okay, notice I didn't have that on here. So in E16, I want a total here too. And so what do I want to type here? I want to type equal, and then sum. And you'll notice it'll say E4 to E15. And that's fine, because that's what I want. And then I hit enter. And then voila, after I hit enter, I'm actually done with my assignment. Then you make sure that you go up to share. Make sure you put my name in there, rtyler@bcsd5.org, and make sure then you send it to me. Okay? Hopefully that helps you out with this tutorial. Thank you so much. Have a great day.